Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm going to talk about the Jupiter's transit into the Aquarius sign. Jupiter and Saturn are together in the Capricorn sign as I'm recording this video. And both these planets are gonna stay in the Capricorn sign until 21st of November 2021. And on the 21st of November, the planet Jupiter will move into the Mool Trikon sign of the planet Saturn. The Mool Trikon sign of the planet Saturn is Aquarius. By a Mool Trikon sign, I mean the house in which the planet is most comfortable. Saturn is more comfortable in the Aquarius sign than in its Capricorn sign. Saturn rules two zodiac signs, Capricorn as well as Aquarius. But in the Aquarius sign, this planet Saturn becomes more comfortable because the Aquarius zodiac sign has some similar features, similar characteristics, similar traits to that of the planet Saturn. Hence, the planet Saturn is comfortable there. Then Capricorn. So at this point in time, the planet Jupiter will enter the Mool Trikon sign of the planet Saturn. The planet Jupiter means expansion. It means religion. It means spirituality. Jupiter represents money, wealth, expansion, the good things of life, following the path of righteousness. Anything connected to moral values is represented by the planet Jupiter. And on the other hand, planet Saturn is discipline. It's about perseverance. It's about hard work. It's about being just to others. I mean, you need to be fair and honest with others. Saturn doesn't like indiscipline. He doesn't like laziness. He is in favor of hard work. So, at this point in time, Jupiter moving into the Aquarius sign, the Saturn's Mool Trikon sign, will expand your discipline. It will give you great ideas to expand your business. It will give you great ideas to move forward in your life. It will give you the knowledge to overcome your problems and difficulties at this point in time. People are gonna work very hard at this point in time. I'd say that people are gonna work smart at this point in time because people wouldn't be wasting time on something which will not be profitable for them, which will not be unproductive for them. At this point in time, the planet Jupiter is gonna get profitable. It's gonna introduce you to the purpose of your life. It's gonna get productive for you. It's gonna show you the positive side of life. The planet Jupiter and Saturn are neutral to each other. Hence, the planet Jupiter is gonna support the qualities of the planet Saturn in the Aquarius sign. It is gonna expand and elaborate on the good qualities of the planet Saturn. Seeing the planetary positions and Jupiter moving into the Mool Trikon sign of Saturn, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that when Jupiter enters the Aquarius sign, you will persevere in your life. One definition of perseverance is that perseverance is the hard work you do after you have done the hard work you have already done. So, if you have already done the hard work previously and you are continuing that hard work at this point in time, then this planet Jupiter is gonna reward you. It's gonna reward you with health, wealth, prosperity at this point in time. But you'll only get prosperity in your life if you work hard at this point in time. If you work smart at this point in time, your efforts are not gonna get wasted at this point in time. People are gonna see the invisible at this point in time and they are gonna achieve the impossible at this point in time. Because those who can see the invisible can achieve the impossible. So if you have been trying to achieve an impossible task in your life, though I don't believe in the word impossible because the word impossible itself says I am possible. So at this point in time, you will achieve the impossible because you will be able to see the invisible. You are gonna use your mindset instead of your eyesight. You will not use your eyesight at this moment because what you see through your eyesight is just immediate. But when you use your mindset, you can see much further away in your life than what you are seeing currently. I mean, you can see much further away than you can see with your eyesight. You can see things much further away from what you are seeing now with your mindset. But the eyesight can only show you things which are in front of you, which are immediately in front of you. Your eyesight can't make you envisage your bright future, but your mindset can. So you are gonna use your mindset at this point in time. You are gonna utilize your mindset to achieve the impossible at this point in time. You will have to persevere at this point in time in every area of your life, in every sphere of your life, in any arena of your life, in any field of your life. And if you continue to persevere at this point in time, you are gonna see success and prosperity in your life. All your struggles at this point in time will yield profits for you. Nothing happens without a struggle in your life. Everyone who has achieved something significant in his or her life has struggled in his or her life. So the struggle is important. Struggle gives you power and strength. It gives life to those goals and dreams you have in your mind. A caterpillar has to go in a cocoon and struggle there before it becomes a butterfly and starts flying. You can't learn good horsemanship riding a tamed horse. An airplane can't fly without the resistance of air. You can't fix a lemonade with sugar alone. You need to add some sour lemons to it. And the harder the battle, the more the struggle, the sweeter the victory. A jewelry can only be made when the gold passes through tremendous heat. So at this point in time, you are gonna struggle, and you are gonna struggle hard at this point in time. You are gonna persevere at this point in time, and all your struggles and perseverance at this point in time are gonna yield profits for you. And one more thing I want to tell you all is that the planet Saturn represents sacrifice. So at this point in time, you will have to sacrifice a lot of things if you want to achieve something meaningful in your life, if you want to achieve something significant in your life. You might have to sacrifice the time which you are spending with your friends, your near and dear ones, with your loved ones. You mustn't waste your time talking about other people at this point in time, gossiping about other people at this point in time, because the planet Saturn doesn't like all these things. You need to focus on yourself at this point in time. You need to give the time and energy behind your greater work, not talking about other people's life. Instead, you should focus on your life. You should talk about yourself, your greatness. You should see the better side of your life at this point in time. And this Jupiter is gonna make you so strong that nothing will be able to disturb your peace of mind. And you are gonna talk health and prosperity with everyone you meet at this point in time. Because the planet Jupiter, as I told you, is a positive planet. You are gonna see the sunny side of life at this point in time, and you are gonna make your optimism come true at this point in time. The work which you will be doing at this point in time will become very productive for you. I mean, you are gonna see success in the work which you will be doing at this point in time. And as the planet Jupiter is in the Aquarius sign, it is gonna expand and expand your wealth. So basically at this point in time, you will have to persevere, struggle, and sacrifice certain things in your life if you want to progress towards your goals and dreams in your life at this particular moment. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this particular Jupiter moving into the Aquarius sign, I mean the Mool Trikon sign of Saturn. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, then I have several remedies for you. I am talking about those remedies which are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, and religious remedies, which can be utilized by any person of any religion. If you want me to pray for you, prayer can move mountains. And if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, money, property, love life, relationships, career, job, business, etc., 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 then I can definitely help you to achieve your goals and dreams in your life with my prayers. Or if you want a Vastu visit of your flat, residence, factory, office, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.